How to fix Messenger floating video call not working on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll teach you guys how you can fix Messenger floating video call not working on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So whenever you're on a video call and you don't see a floating window of video, this is what you do. So the first step is head over to your settings. Tap on your settings and then head over to general. Scroll down a bit and you'll find general right here. Tap on general and then you will find an option called iPhone storage. Tap on it, and on iPhone storage you might want to search for your Messenger app. So it's right here. Tap on it and then you'll find an option called offload app. Tap on offload app and offload the app. After that, reinstall it. What this does is this clears out the cache of your Messenger. After doing that, check if the problem persists. If that does not fix your issue, you can then head over to your app store, and on your app store you can simply search for Messenger app. After you search for Messenger, find your Messenger app. It's right here, and then if you see an update button available, tap on update and update the app. Now sometimes your update comes up with bug fixes and security patches which might fix your floating video call issue. And yeah, that's basically how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.